How to send gallery video as a snap on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. And then, in this camera section, simply tap on this magnifying glass and then search for video uploader. There is no built-in feature, but you can use any of these filters and use it to upload videos from your gallery and send it as snap. So all the videos from your gallery will load. Select any of it and you will be able to send it as snap. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.